This morning we are so excited. We launched our online platform marketplace to put together buyers and sellers in today's real estate market. Today is August 2018. The market are shifting and we are positioning our sellers clients to be able to generate multiple offers in today's market. And as far as for our buyers clients, we are positioning them to be access to homes that's hard to find online. So our titanium certified auction platforms homes have been certified by experts to be the best deals and the best homes available on the marketplace today. Every single one of the homes come with a 12-month warranty. It also comes with the buyer satisfaction guarantee, which basically we are telling all the buyers, hey buyers, if you buy these homes that we already certified and already come with a 12-month home warranty, if you buy any of this home at any time, if you are not happy with your home purchase, you let us know, we're gonna buy it back from you. It comes with a buyer satisfaction guarantee. So at our certified titanium auction platform, these are homes including bank foreclosures, short sales, homes that are hard to find online. So today, we have all of our marketing team is here today, our admin team is here, our inside sales team, our outside sales team, our customer service, our online platforms department. So we are officially launching this today. So it's been working around the clock to make sure in 2018, August 2018 and beyond, we are positioning our VIP buyers and sellers clients to be able to win in this changing landscape in real estate industry.